Hey you guys, I am going to give you guys a little update of my room. It's definitely not finished. I have some shelves that I'm going to put up here. I need to really organize my closet because we got the All-Got system from IKEA for my closet. I need to get some bins and boxes and all that sort of thing. But just wanted to give you guys a little overview because everybody keeps asking how my room is coming along. And it is definitely coming along. I love my room. I love that I can close the door and just create, and it's just a wonderful space for me. So this is the view from the door. Well, sort of. This would be the view if you were coming in my room. So I'm kind of angled here. And basically, I'm not going to go through every single drawer. For the most part, it is the same organization as before in my other house. So if you want to check out one of those older craft room videos, you can definitely do that. I will have a link in the upper right hand corner for you guys. So most of my, well, let me see. Yeah, all of my furniture is in my desk, and the cubbies are from IKEA. And so here you go. So this is when you first come in. I have my printer and my papers, and I have like ephemera and that kind of stuff in the drawers. And then down here is more papers. We're gonna come this way. So I have, this is Abby's craft station or cubby thing. And then I have my closet, which I told you guys it is a complete mess. But I love having a closet, and I love this All-Got system because if I figure out that I want to move any shelves or anything, or I want to add more, take away, it's super easy to do. So if you guys are looking for a good system, you could check it out at IKEA. So that's that. And let me show you guys the other side. Alright, so here's the other side. Just what I have so far in here. And like I said, I definitely need to get some bins and stuff like that so that I can organize different things in there. And just boxes and stuff. Alright, so we're going to pan around here. And I wanted to do this last night, but I ended up falling asleep because of my window. It's just so bright. Alright, hopefully it's going to be okay on camera, but this here is still the same. So I have the 3 drawers is flowers, and then the bottom drawer is dyes. And then here is an Alex unit from IKEA. And my room is definitely clean, but I mean, there's still little stuff everywhere, so I apologize. I think this will probably be the cleanest my room will be. So here I keep my stamp blocks, my mixed media supplies, because this is where I create. So that's where I want all of my things that I use mostly and most of the time, so I can access it easily. All right, so if you haven't seen my video setup, this is a Manfrotto mount that mounts to the wall, and that's where I have my camera. And then I have my lights hung to the ceiling. And then, like I said, this is where I create. So I have 2 mats. I have this one, and then I have this clear one underneath there. And this cleans fairly well. I go in with some alcohol and I just kind of scrub it. Eventually I'll need to get another one, but for now it works just fine. Alright, so we're gonna come around this way, and there's my coffee, like my mug. Mornings aren't magical. And then on the other side, it's Tinkerbell. Alright, so this is my computer, well, my laptop and my monitor and just computer stuff and my Rode mic. And I'm gonna pan around this way. Alright, so here in these drawers are Nuvo drops, watercolors, let me see, embossing powders, that sort of thing. And then up here I have my little tool caddy, which I need to organize again. I just, it gets so messy sometimes. Alright, so here, this one is my inks, distress oxides, that sort of thing. And then down at the bottom is acrylic paints, and then there's some like glitter and stuff like that. That's where I keep my spellbinders, Platinum 6, and then pan around this way. I'm going to step back a little bit. Hopefully I'm not going to make you guys dizzy. I'm trying to go as slow as I can. Alright, so here is a look at my calyx units. I want to get a big white one for over on this wall, but for now this definitely works just fine. And it is pretty much the same as before. So I have stamps, I have my Zig markers, I have my Arteza markers, paints, stencils, let's see, what else do I have in these? I have ribbons, I have more stamps, and extra supplies like pastes and brushes and things like that. Just all sorts of different things in these drawers. Once I get my room pretty finished and organized, I will make a more in detail video for you guys. And because like I said, I have these shelves that I want to hang up here and stuff, so I definitely have a long way to go. But when I get time, I don't feel like organizing, I feel like creating. So it might be a while, but I wanted to give you guys an update, like I said, because a lot of people ask me, so I wanted to show you guys. And this is my little nerdy station here. Have all my stuff up here. And then we'll pan this way. And back around. So that is my room. Abby woke up. Gotta get her off to school. But yeah, so that is a little look at my room. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Again, all my furniture is from IKEA, except that. That's from Costco, and I don't think they sell it anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Can you give thumbs up, Abby? Alright, I will catch you guys later. Bye!